Let's open Gemini and click Create Image to start using Nano Banana 2. Here is the first prompt of this video. Suitcase World. The image prompt has two variable slots, location and main landmark. Drop those in and the rest of the scene is fully handled by the prompt. I paste the prompt, set the location to USA and the landmark to Times Square, and hit Generate. The suitcase sits on a worn wooden surface and opens at a 35-degree angle. Inside, a fully realized miniature Manhattan fills the interior. City blocks, streets, and Times Square's LED towers rising from the center. The inner lining frames the world on every side. Travel stickers, worn leather detail, and cinematic depth of field make it feel like something that physically exists. You can run this exact prompt for any city and any landmark. Here is the same prompt applied to Italy, with the Colosseum showcasing iconic ancient Roman architecture. And here is Japan, where Mount Fuji stands surrounded by stunning landscapes. Same prompt structure, just change the location and landmark, and everything adapts. The empty suitcase prompt strips every terrain and environmental element from the interior. Same suitcase, same surface, same composition, just the lining remaining visible inside. I paste the cleanup prompt and generate. Every miniature element disappears. The wooden surface, lighting, and suitcase structure remain exactly as they were. Now the Suitcase World Reveal video prompt. This one takes both images and animates the world forming inside the suitcase. Terrain first, then city structures, then the landmark assembling at the center last. I go to the video generator flow, upload the empty suitcase as the first frame, and the Times Square suitcase as the last. I paste the video prompt and generate. Subtle ground texture spreads across the lining first. Streets push outward from the center. City blocks rise upward level by level. Times Square assembles last. The billboard towers building themselves into place with genuine structural weight. Before the next prompt, look at these comments. Every single episode, the same word keeps appearing: continue. Multiple videos into this series, and the response keeps building. You are building this with me, episode by episode, drop by drop. If you are new here, this is the channel where we push AI image and video generation as far as it will go. Every episode with real prompts. Hit subscribe so you are here for the next episode when it drops. Let's keep going. Here is the next prompt set. City made of Play-Doh. Fill in your city and landmark and the prompt generates a hyper-detailed miniature city sculpted entirely from colorful modeling clay. I set the city to Paris and the landmark to the Eiffel Tower. Paste the prompt and generate. Bright clay tones define every district. Blue for water, green for parks, terracotta for rooftops. The Eiffel Tower rises from the center with finger-molded texture and slight imperfections that make it feel genuinely hand-built. Tool marks and soft blended edges are visible across the entire surface. It holds at full resolution. Every detail reads as crafted, not generated. That is exactly what you want from this kind of image. Something that looks like it required effort to make. Here is London with Big Ben and Athens with the Acropolis. The clay character shifts completely with each location. Big Ben in warm red tones beside a blue clay Thames, the Acropolis in pale stone tones, rising from a layered clay hillside. Same single prompt. The city and landmark rewrite the entire composition. The pure clay mass prompt removes every sculpted element from the clay. No buildings, no roads, no recognizable shapes. Just a smooth, uneven lump of colorful modeling clay with natural folds and fingerprints visible on the surface. I paste the prompt and generate. Every city element disappears. Just raw clay resting on the tabletop, with the lighting and surface unchanged. The clay formation reveal video prompt connects both clay images and animates the city being shaped from the unstructured mass, building from a shapeless lump into a complete miniature city in one continuous sequence. I upload the raw clay mass as the first frame and the Paris clay city as the last. I paste the video prompt and generate. Two hands start to play with the clay. The Eiffel Tower takes shape from the center outward, each layer building upward with careful detail. Districts form around it. By the final frame, the full city is complete. Vibrant clay colors, soft hand-sculpted textures, and cinematic depth of field across the entire surface. Here is the timeline infographic prompt. Drop in any famous person or topic, and the prompt generates a clean horizontal timeline with 5 to 8 key milestones, illustrated icons per event, and a portrait or symbol built into the layout. I set the subject to Taylor Swift and generate. A horizontal layout with 7 milestones, 1 per era, illustrated icons, and a central portrait. Clean minimal design, clear visual hierarchy, fully readable at a glance. Same prompt with the subject changed to space exploration. 7 milestones from Sputnik to Perseverance, with icons matched to each event. The visual language stays consistent, just the subject variable changes everything. Quick stop. If you want to go beyond copying these prompts and start building your own variations from scratch, my Nano Banana Playbook is in the description. It covers the fundamentals with real examples, includes more than 100 prompts organized by use case, and gets updated I discover new styles. And whatever tool you are using, the framework works. Link is right below this video. Here is the universal branding prompt. Upload your product image, add your tagline, and the prompt builds a full cinematic commercial scene around it. Lighting, environment, atmospheric effects, and typography, all handled inside the prompt. First, I upload this product reference, which is a natural skincare product. Then I set the tagline to "Glow the Natural Way" and hit generate. Warm canyon light falls across the stone surface. The product sits center frame with premium highlights, and the tagline integrates naturally into the environment. It reads like an actual campaign image. Most importantly, this prompt adapts the environment to match the product. You'll see exactly what I mean in the next example. Now for the same prompt, I am uploading another product, which is a camera product. I enter tagline as "Capture every detail." Let's see the result. High floor city skyline, sleek dark surface, sharp editorial lighting. The product identity completely rewrites the environment while the prompt structure stays identical. Here is the personal mirror style shift prompt set. Upload a reference photo, and the image prompt places the person in front of a full-length mirror. Outside is a simple everyday outfit. Inside the reflection is a high-fashion look. Same face on both sides of the glass. I upload this reference image first. Then I replace the fashion style placeholder with spring. Let's see how it will come out. The person stands in casual clothes facing the mirror. The reflection wears a completely different outfit. Structured, high-fashion spring style with detailed fabric and silhouette, while the facial identity stays accurate throughout. The deconstruct prompt resets the entire scene. Both sides of the mirror return to the same simple outfit and pose. Same lighting, same composition, same framing, with the style shift fully removed. I paste the deconstruct prompt and generate. Both the person and the reflection now match in the same casual clothes. The mirror scene is clean and neutral. The personal style awakening video prompt animates the transformation inside the mirror only. The reflection evolves from casual to high fashion, while the real person holds still. Then, in the final moment, they step into alignment with it. I upload the neutral mirror image as the first frame and the style-shifted version as the last. I paste the video prompt and generate. The reflection begins to shift inside the glass. Fabric restructures, silhouette sharpens, detail builds across the surface from top to bottom. Consistent framing, one smooth transformation, built from a single reference photo. Here is the video game character prompt. Upload a reference photo and add a line of text for the dialog box. The prompt recreates the subject as a full AAA quality game character with a cinematic in-game environment. I upload this reference image. I add the text, "The journey begins." Let's see the result. Photorealistic skin and the exact facial identity are preserved inside the full game character treatment. Armor layers, ability icons, character stats, and the neon-lit urban environment all assemble around the face. The dialog box sits cleanly at the bottom of the frame. And here is a fun prompt. Personal money evolution. Upload a reference photo and the prompt generates the same person across 4 financial stages in a single cinematic 2x2 grid. I upload the reference and generate. Top left is the starting phase. A small room, a single lamp, a laptop, and an early morning energy. Top right is stable income, a clean desk, focused environment, a coffee beside the monitor. Bottom left is growing success, a modern apartment, a proper productivity setup with multiple screens. Bottom right is the wealth stage, open water, warm light, full freedom. The face stays consistent across all 4 panels. The emotional shift builds naturally from top left to bottom right, panel by panel. Before we wrap, if the prompts in this episode are sparking ideas and you want a proper system behind them, my Nano Banana Playbook is in the description. Over 100 prompts, the core fundamentals and framework for building and adapting your own, all organized by use case so you can find exactly what you need. Link is below. In this video, every prompt was shown in full before I used it. Copy what works, swap in your own locations, people, brands, and products, and start creating today. These are tools, not tricks. The more you work with them, the more you understand what they can actually do. And if you want me to continue this series with brand new prompts in the next episode, write continue in the comments. I read every single one of them. That is what keeps this series going.